Civic virtues, the building blocks of a strong society. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important concept that helps to hold our communities and societies together: civic virtues. Understanding this can not only enhance your English skills but also give you a deeper insight into what makes a society function harmoniously. Civic virtues are the behaviors and attitudes that show a commitment to a healthy, democratic society. They are not just actions but also qualities of character. Examples include honesty, responsibility, tolerance, and community service. These virtues help us live together in peace and support the common good. Civic virtues have roots in ancient civilizations like Greece and Rome, where they were seen as essential for the well-being of the city-state. In modern times, they're just as crucial because they foster engagement in civic life, such as voting, volunteering, and participating in public discourse. Let's see civic virtues in action. Think of a community member volunteering at a local food bank, showing compassion and altruism. Or consider a jury member in a trial, who must embody fairness and impartiality. These are practical applications of civic virtues. How can one develop civic virtues? It starts with self-reflection and a conscious decision to contribute positively to society. Education, community involvement, and mentorship are all pathways to strengthening these qualities within ourselves and our communities. In language learning, understanding terms like civic virtues allows for richer communication. It's about more than vocabulary. It's about conveying values and engaging in meaningful discussions on societal issues. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of civic virtues and why they're so essential to our collective life. Remember, every small action to support and uplift our community counts. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.